model, 68-plate Fiat Ducato 35 Multijet E 2.3 diesel Dropside Flatbed, genuine low mileage. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 118496. MOT, the 20th of December 2025. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AGL 411D. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in excellent condition and it pulls well on all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 0 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119